You didn't put it 0.5, did you?
Sí.
Bueno, hola, buenos días, chicos.
Tan solo una
Is it cold? Hi! Where are you going? We just forgot. It's Saturday. We're in my hometown and we're gonna explore today a bit. Right?
Thanks for talking because I cannot talk. I'm super malita.
You cannot talk. And yeah, we are at my dad's house. We're gonna see my mom today in her house. We're gonna have lunch, like after lunch at her.
Maybe.
After party. After lunch.
Maybe también go.
We're gonna go bath in the sea and then we're gonna go play mini golf.
Everything today.
Yes, yes, Buen styrka. Intendela is having one, then she kind of like croissant. España, ole!
I bought 3 of these one, these.
Qué rico.
Sí. Sí, and then you can open it.
Sí, Ana. Mira, chicos. Es que se abre y se cierra así.
Hi! We're going to the...
She just got all her
clothes for my sister. Bikini, shoes.
Madre mía. She's driving on her feet. Actually, it's comfy. Sí. Is it allowed here? Because in Spain it's not allowed.
No, bueno, no sé.
No.
We're doing this, bitch.
Yeah, todo el rato, no. And I'm having my...
This is the country of clicky-clackies. Of course, we're doing barefoot.
Dándole vueltas a la mía. Tú no duermes en tu casa, tú duermes en la mía.
Hey, marica, estamos.
Ay, son funny. Tan solo una palabra. No, water. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog. We're enforcing your seat.
I didn't know what she said. No! Quítate.
Look how many fish there is in the water.
Yeah, these are different.
It's so many. Bueno.
I'm trying.
Is it cold?
Yeah, you know. Get my fever out.
Muy bien.
Go, Kylie, go! Ah. ¿Qué? Damn. Y... Ay, yo no me puedo meter, aunque estoy deseando, pero es que como estoy tan mala, no puedo. Damn shit. Qué asco. Como estoy tan mala no puedo, o sea, está súper a gusto, en plan como congeladito y todo, pero no sé. ¿Debería meterme? Yo digo no. Imagínate que me pongo peor. Con el camión. Voy a poner ahí los helados. Is he gonna sell?
Sí, he's the one that sells helados. Oh, sí! Go outside to see him.
Way home.
Sí,
Rafa.
sí, sí.
Ciao. We're getting ready. Y ya está. We're going to the city, have picnic with us, and then come after friends home. And that's all. The blush I tried yesterday that I get in love. Es que tiene un color tan bonito. Ay. Look, the color. Yes. Mira, it's a dress color.